I knew that. Because,
Again with the door slam. She just makes all sorts of excuses. Fucking liar. I'm wearing the other hearing aids. Blah, 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 blah. Stop fucking lying, stupid bitch. Very unchristian. She calls herself a Christian, yet she treats people like trash. Stealing from Walmart, and other places. Yeah, this client's horrible. Keep telling her so many times, but she keeps slamming the damn door. That's why I have a headache. Like I can't even drive with having a headache. Like come on, stupid. And she buys another stupid antenna. It's like the third one in 2 days. She's fucking wasteful. She likes to waste money. That's the problem. She likes to waste money on things she doesn't even need and she doesn't even use. She has a TV that she doesn't even fucking use. Like, come on. Like, why do you buy other stuff that doesn't, you waste money on things you don't even use. It's like, come on. That's like she's wasteful with food. Like 5 bags of food and she throws away everything after one bite. She's fucking wasteful. She likes to waste money for no reason. Yeah, she's a fucking that bitch. I hate working with this motherfucker. I hate working with her so much. I hate working with her. Damn. Can't stand working with this bitch at all.